Hello and welcome to Suresh Agarwal's Reasoning Mantra. And in today's video, we are going to discuss about matrix coding. This is a very important part of the reasoning section, the verbal reasoning section of all competitive exams, especially the SSC exams. All the exams conducted by SSC always contain at least one question of this type. So please watch this video and learn how to solve coding questions based on matrix. So these are some general instructions which you'll find almost common for all the questions. A word is represented by only one set of numbers as given in any one of the alternatives. So that means that you will be given four options, and of the four options you have to choose one option which has the correct set of numbers. Now how do we find out what numbers are these? The set of numbers given in the alternatives are represented by two classes of alphabets as in two matrices given below. So you can see that you have a matrix here in which 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are the column numbers and the row numbers. So these vertical ones are the columns and the horizontal ones, these are the rows. Then in the matrix number 2, that is the second matrix, we have column numbers 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 and row numbers 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 again. So that means we have two matrices here. Now a letter from this matrix, let us consider that suppose we want to find out what number will represent the letter M in the matrix. So we find an M here. So we will first write the row number. The row number here is going to be 5 and the column number here corresponds to 6. So the number is 56. Similarly, M is present here also. So for this particular M, we can have the number like the row number is 6 and the column number is 8. So we always write the row number first and the column number afterwards. So we get 68. Then we find another M here. So the row number here will be 7 and the column number will be 9. So that makes it 79. Another M here. The row number is 8 and the column number is 7. That makes it 87. And another M here. The row number is 9 and the column number will be 5. That makes it 95. That means every alphabet can be represented by a set of 5 numbers. Now we have to choose from the option given which of the numbers given is correct. So like here we have an example, like if you're talking about P, it can be represented by the number 0, 0. That means the row number is also 0 and the column number is also 0. When we say 1, 3, that means the row number is 1 and the column number is 3, and you can look for 3 more numbers in the same way. Similarly, E can be represented by the number 55, 66 and so on. So that means all the letters that you find in this matrix can be represented by a set of 5 different numbers. Now let us have a look at what type of questions can be asked based on this. In the first question, we have to find out the correct set of numbers for the word nest. So let us look at the letter N first. So we find that in the second matrix, we have 5 N's, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So what we can do is we can just write down the numbers that are corresponding to the various positions of N. Like for the first N, it will be row number 5 and column number 8. That makes it 58. Similarly, for the second N, it becomes row 6, column 9, 69. Similarly, for the third one, it's going to be 76. For the fourth one, it becomes 85. And for the fifth one, it becomes 97. So these are the 5 possible values for N. Now let us check in the options. 69 is present, 58 is present, 85 is present, and 69 also is present. That means all the 4 options given to us are correct. Now in the same way, we will check for the letter E. So let us see what are the possibilities for E. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 values for E here. So the first value corresponds to row 5, column 5, then row 6, column 6, then row 7, column 7, row 8, column 8, and row 9, column 9. So this one was simple, isn't that so? So we check for this here. 88 is present, 55 is present, but we don't have 68, so option C is ruled out here, and 55. Now we are left with three options, that is A, B, and D. So now we need to check with the next word, that is the letter S. So let us use a different color for S. So this is the first S, the second S, the third S, the fourth S, and the fifth S. Now let us write down the values for the first S. It's going to be 5 and 9, 59. The second one is 6 and 7, 67. The third one is going to be 7 and 5. The fourth one is 8 and 6. And the fifth one is 9 and 8. So these are the values of S that are possible. Now let us check again. 68 is not present, so option A gets ruled out here. 98 is present. 50, we will not consider option C here because it's already ruled out. And D is 75. So that means now we are left with two options, that is B and D. Now let us check for the fourth one, and the fourth one is T. So let us see what possible values can T have. So we can use the red color only because this is from the first matrix. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We can directly check this because now we are left with just two options, and both of them are saying 20. So that means T20 means the row number should be 2 and the column number should be 0. That means in this case option B and D both give us the correct answer. Now for the same matrix, let us check for the word plant. What are the correct set of values for the word plant? Let us start with P. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 values of P here. Now let us write the values here again. The first one will be 0, 0. The second one becomes 1, 3. The third is going to be 2, 1. The fourth one will be 3, 4. And the fifth one will be 4 and 2. Now let us check here. 21 present, it's there. 34 is also there. 34 is also there, and 0, 0 is also there. That means the first set of values is all correct. Now let us check for L. For L, we'll be checking with the second matrix. We have 5 values of L here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So for the first value, we have 57. For the second value, we have 65. For the third value, we have 78. The fourth value gives us 89. And the fifth value gives us 96. Now let us check. 87, it's not there. So the option A gets ruled out here. 98, again not present. So the second option is also ruled out. 57 is present. And 98 again. So this is also ruled out. So which is the correct answer here? We are left only with one option, that is C, and that gives us the correct answer. So you can check with the other three words in the same way, and that will confirm that the answer that you are looking for is option C for this particular case. Now let us look at the last part of the question here. The third question, we have to find out the correct set of words for the word smile. Now let us check for S first. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5S. Let us check. The first number 59, 67, then 75, then 86, and then we have 98. Now let us check here. 98 is present. 89 is not there, so this gets ruled out. Option B is ruled out. 68 is also not there, so option C is also ruled out. And 95 is also not there, so option D is also ruled out. We are left with just one option, that is option A. To be more sure, you can check with the remaining words. The second word is M. Let us check with M, and that should confirm our answer. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So quickly we can write the values for M also. That gives us 56, and 68 and 79 and 87 and 95. Now you have to be careful that we need not check with all the four values. We can simply check with the numbers that we are left with here in order to confirm that option A is the correct answer. So for M it's given 68. We know 68 is present here, so that means 68 is correct. Then for I it should be 23. So I corresponds to row number 2 and column number 3, so that is also correct. L is 78. L row number 7, column number 8, so that gives us L78. So that is also correct. And for E it is 55. Yes, it is correct. So that means option A is the correct answer for this particular question. So I hope this was simple and you've understood how to solve these questions. If you have understood this well, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel if not done yet. Thanks for watching me and joining me, and don't forget to hit the bell icon if you want notifications for more such interesting upcoming videos.